Hello everyone, and welcome to today's session. In this class, we'll dive into how compliance, accountability, and monitoring work together to make AI systems ethical and trustworthy. It's going to be an interactive session where we connect real examples with the frameworks that keep AI responsible and fair. When we talk about transparency in AI, we're talking about lifting the curtain. It's about helping people understand how AI makes decisions, what data it uses, what logic it follows, and why it produces certain outcomes. Imagine a medical AI explaining why it suggested a diagnosis. That's what builds trust. And through regular audits, we ensure that fairness isn't just a promise. Rather, it is something continuously verified. Accountability means we know who's steering the ship. Developers must build safe, fair algorithms. Operators ensure those systems perform ethically day to day. Even users and regulators play a part, since they can provide oversight and feedback. And that feedback loop? It keeps AI learning ethically as it learns technically. Transparency isn't a one-way street. It is a conversation. When developers, users, and regulators communicate openly, we catch issues early, refine systems, and share insights. This dialogue builds better AI and improves understanding. People stop fearing AI when they understand it. That's the real power of communication. Monitoring tools are like the watchdogs of the AI world. They constantly track behavior, flag anything suspicious, and alert humans before small issues snowball into crises. In finance, AML, these tools prevent money laundering. In healthcare, they protect patient privacy. They're not just about catching problems, but also about proving we're doing things right. Data collection is what fuels every compliance system. Automated tools give us speed and precision, while human oversight adds context and ethical perspective. It's like having sensors and scientists working together. Machines find the signals, and people interpret what they mean. To better understand this, let's break down some examples of industry tools that make AI compliance practical. IBM Watson OpenScale continuously monitors models for fairness and performance, creating clear audit trails that simplify reporting and reduce risk. Data Robot Governance complements this by managing every model's lifecycle, from approval to retirement, with built-in documentation and validation workflows. Together, they bring compliance to life, turning governance from a checklist into an ongoing automated process. The HumAIne project supports this through its ethical management and regulatory compliance framework. This helps organizations meet legal obligations while embedding ethical decision-making into their daily operations. It reduces the complexity of dealing with evolving regulations like GDPR and the AI Act, helping companies stay compliant, efficient, and credible. What makes it stand out is its balance. It combines legal rigor with a genuine focus on ethics and long-term reputation. Alongside that, the standards and policies contributions of HumAIne connect the project's technical achievements with the wider AI policy landscape. Through policy briefs, white papers, and active participation in standardization efforts, it helps shape the very rules that guide trustworthy AI across Europe. Together, these tools turn compliance into a continuous, forward-looking process, namely a process that blends ethics, governance, and leadership to create real confidence in AI systems. To close, think of transparency, accountability, and monitoring as a triangle. Each side supports the others. Transparency builds trust. Accountability assigns responsibility. Monitoring ensures compliance. When they work together, we get AI systems that perform and deserve our trust.